Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to tell you about how to clear up your RAM on your iPhone and free up your space with clear the cache data on your iPhone. It's simple. You just install this application. There is also ready on your App Store. Just click the battery reductor, do battery reductor, and then you can click the memory. In this part you can scan your RAM, how many RAM you use to operate your iOS. So if you need to clear up your RAM, you just click the boost. After that you will get your iPhone more fresh again. You can see there is free RAM 679 megabyte, and then from this, after that we can clear up your cache data. For to do that, you just click the junk in here, junk button. This function is for clean up your cache data, so it can make your storage more. We just click this clean up cache, so and then we click clean. After that we will get notified like this, but you don't worry, we just click done. Just wait. Yeah, I didn't have junk files to clean because I have to do that for a couple minutes ago. So that's my first video to tell all of you about how to clear up the cache and clear up the RAM in your phone. So thank you. Goodbye.